Look at this messy site! We need to clean up to stay safe! Calling the cleanup team! We need help! Ready, set, tidy up! Look how neat Bulldozer is making the site! Everything in its place. Nice and tidy.
Excavator is lifting the big pieces now.
One block into the truck.
Two blocks. We are doing a great job.
3 blocks. Into the truck they go.
1, 2, 3. Counting is fun when we clean.
Pushing all the scraps together. No piece is too small. Almost done. Let's get the last bit.
I'm full of old blocks. Time to take them away. Look how well they work together. Everyone is careful and kind.
Dump truck is taking the trash to be processed safely. One last glide to make the ground perfectly flat.
Clean and smooth, just the way we like it.
Our trucks are so shiny when they work in a clean place. I'm back and empty. The job is nearly done. The very last piece. We did it.
Look at the site now. It's so clean and beautiful. A clean site makes everyone smile. Everything in its place. No more mess. A clean site is a happy site.
Great teamwork, everyone. We are a great cleaning team.
Great job. Teamwork builds dreams.
Spin for a clean site. Whee! See you next time, friends. Remember to keep your toys tidy. Goodbye.
Bye-bye. See you at the next construction site.